Changing your profile picture on Coinbase is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Coinbase app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Profile Picture option. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile Picture or Avatar. Click on this option to begin the process of changing your image. Step 4. Upload a new picture. You will see an option to upload a new image. Click on Upload or Change Picture, then select the desired image file from your device. Ensure the image meets any specified requirements regarding size and format. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading the new picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to finalize the update. Now your profile picture is updated. Enjoy personalizing your Coinbase account.